How to use Houzz application. Welcome guys. In this video I will tell you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end, because today you are in a tutorial videos that I will show you how to use Houzz application in a correct way. So first you have to install it from App Store or Play Store. Then you will open it and you will create an account. For example, me, I already create my account. You will just use your email, your uh, information, just little information like your name, your address, something like this. And right now, when we open our app, here we can find like homepage where you can search for example, products, idea, shops, advice, everything here. For example, if you wanna buy something, for example this, you will just click on it and you will come to add a cart. If you want to save it, click here, and if you want to share it, click here. And what then guys, I will move to the another important things. Here you can find your notifications, as you see. Also you can find here your message. You will just come here and hear your messages. And now, right now you can use, if you want to use your Houzz Pro application, and here you can find your idea book. If you want to add an idea book, click create, and then we will move to your profile. On your profile guys, here if you click here, you can edit your information, like for example, for me, I have a professional account. You can move it. It's very easy. We'll find a button here. You can't see it now because for me I have a professional account. Here you can change or add all your information. You will go back and here you will find your settings. As you see, this is all the settings. If you want to delete account, you can delete it from here. You can back also in here. In this option you can find your card. I go back right now. Here you can find your orders. Here if you want to upload a project, if you want, and here where you can find your project, and here your following and followers, your updates, activity, posts, public profile, your history. If you want to see out, you can click here also. So that's it in this video guys. As you see, this Houzz application, it's very easy to use it. I just give you this short or little videos just to introduce this application for the beginner who doesn't know anything about it. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe in our channel. So if you have any question, you can write it down in comments, and see you in another video.